What's up, business owners, agencies, coaches, consultants? I am going to show you in this video how we are using AI technology to generate leads on autopilot. In fact, we are not even extracting leads and putting them into a campaign anymore. The entire thing is doing it for us, and you are going to be mind blown when I show you the technology that we have implemented to generate new leads and follow up with existing leads. It's going to absolutely blow your mind, and the software that I'm going to share with you is not paying me. I don't have an affiliate link. I am showing you this because it is going to change your business. Before we get started, I just wanted to talk a little bit about AI and what the capabilities are. You've probably already seen all of the videos on ChatGPT and what AI can do for copy. You may have even seen videos about tools like Synthesia that can take a video of me and then make my mouth move to certain words. You may have seen videos about Resemble.ai, which I can talk into a mic for 10 minutes. It now understands my voice and can make it sound like I am saying whatever it wants. AI is absolutely unbelievable. And if you haven't already seen these things, please follow my channel. What I'm going to be talking to you today is taking all of those tools, combining them into a lead generation machine that is all managed in one platform. And it is going to change your company. This thing has been running on autopilot in my company for about a month now, and we don't have to touch it. We don't have to interact with it. It is just automatically pounding leads into our pipeline over and over again. Before we go much further, my name is Jay. I run Otter PR, the #1 ranked PR firm in the United States on Clutch, G2, and Upcity. We manage companies like Alibaba and members of the US Congress like Mary Peltola. Here is a bobblehead that my dad got me. This is me. If you want to subscribe and support my channel, and if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button. Let's get into some of the value of this video, which is going to be who this is for and what this can do for you. If you're a B2B agency, if you're a coach, if you're a consultant, if you're a SaaS product, if you use any form of lead generation tactics like opt-in pages or cold outbound lead generation like cold email, you're going to want to pay attention because this is absolutely going to revolutionize the way that you do lead generation. All right, let's get into it and talk a little bit about the tool and the process. As I kind of mentioned, it takes all of those different AI technologies and combines them into one. It combines the power of Synthesia, which is taking an AI version of me and making my mouth move to certain words, and you can tell it which words to make your mouth move to. It takes Resemble.ai's technology and it makes it sound like I am customizing my voice message for whoever I am talking to. Finally, it incorporates a lead generation machine that basically you give it parameters and it automatically funnels leads into your pipeline every single day. All right, so what do you say we jump in to this platform? We'll stop hiding it and show you exactly what it is, what it does, and then we'll dive into my dashboard and show you how a campaign actually looks. By the way, the results of this tool have been insane. And if you want additional tools and 8 million leads that you can use for your own lead generation, you're going to want to not only subscribe, but there is a link down in the notes of this show. It's OtterPR/11K. You won't miss it. Click it, follow a few simple instructions. It'll take you 2 minutes, and I will send you a whole list of free tools and 8 million cleaned leads that you can use in your lead generation. All right, let's dive into the tool and talk about it. All right, welcome to ReachOut.ai. This AI tool literally brings together all of the most amazing things that AI has to offer. As you can see below, what this transforms is your regular cold email outreach into personalized video outreach using AI. It is absolutely amazing. There's some pretty incredible use cases for this outside of just regular cold email. 1, cold outbound, so the first time that we message somebody, and 2, inbound lead generation. Somebody opts in through our Facebook lead form or through one of our landing pages, they automatically get a custom video from me. Really, really cool stuff. All right, let's dive inside of the software, ReachOut.ai. We're now in the campaigns tab, and as you can see, this is very simple of a tool to use. So starting from step 1, you've got a few different options here. Obviously, Zapier, everybody's favorite, but the B2B lead search is really the coolest thing. You can populate leads into your campaign on autopilot. You just tell it which filters that you want to apply, for example, founders in the digital marketing space with this many employees, and it'll auto-populate those people into your campaign every single day. So you never have to come in, you never have to refresh your campaign. It also connects with Pabbly, Make, all the good stuff. Now let's dive into the next step, the personalization. And this is really cool. You can either select their own avatars or create your own. You can just upload a picture of yourself and it will make your mouth move to the words that you tell it to. Absolutely unbelievable. Like I said, this is multiple AI tools built into one. In terms of the background, you can use a static background, import a picture or a video, but what's really cool is you can take a screen grab of your customer's website background. And this is what I recommend you doing because it looks way more personal, like you're actually taking a Loom video of their website. In terms of the copy that you're using and some of the ways that you can edit those videos. You can, again, hyper personalize it with their name, how long the video is, their email, their company. So those things just like pop out on the video. They say, oh, wow, this is made for me. I should watch this. It's only 2 minutes. As you can see at the bottom of this video here, that is an example of what that looks like. Now, I would love to discuss a little bit further about some of the ways that you can customize the copy for this tool. And I think that's one of the most amazing things. You can see on the left, that's the copy that your avatar is going to be saying in real time. There's different voices that you can select. There's the template voices that they give you, different genders, accents, tones. But what I recommend you do is make your own voice. You can clone your voice using a separate tool. Unfortunately, this tool does not let you clone your own voice, but you can clone your own voice and upload it. All right, now to the fancy part, the landing page. This is what they're going to be getting instead of a standard cold email. It's going to be kind of the thumbnail for that image that once they click, it's going to open up another link that's got the full video, it's got the copy, it's got a button, and you can actually customize the domain where those people are going. But here's where you just kind of upload your logo, upload your button URL, and then voila, they get the video and everything is perfect. Now for the actual copy of the email. So what is going to be written when they open up that landing page and they get that email to incentivize them to click? How you should use this and how much it costs. We've been using this tool essentially since it came out. So we are paying a grandfather rate. If you want to use this tool, it's about $100-200 a month for like 500 credits a month, which is very, very good. So if you're using this properly, you should be booking a ton of calls with this tool, especially if you're using it for inbound leads, people who are coming in. That way you get to have more personalized touches with them with less actual manual labor. This is something that BDRs or your inbound, your setting team normally would have done, which is when somebody fills out a lead form or suggests they're interested, normally a setting team would send them a personalized video. This replaces that. You can replace an entire team with this AI tool. It's really incredible, and I hope you agree with me. Now, if you want to try this out, it's ReachOut.ai. I do not have an affiliate link to send you. All you have to do is go to their website and check it out. I am making this video for the sole purpose is to give you value in your company and to show you the power of AI. So if this is interesting to you and you liked what you saw here, please subscribe. I'll be doing a lot more on lead generation and how you can incorporate AI in all of your marketing, not just your lead gen. It's really incredible stuff that's coming out. I'm keeping my finger on the pulse of AI and what it can do for your business, because if you don't, you're going to get left in the smoke. If you haven't already, please grab the $11,000 worth of free marketing tools that I packaged together with you and with a nice bow. That link is going to be in the show notes. Make sure to grab it and check out the other videos that I have on the channel on lead generation. You're going to absolutely love it. And if you found this one helpful, help my channel support me by hitting the thumbs up and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.